this video, I'm going to show you how to access ChatGPT 4.0. So what you want to do is simply type in ChatGPT into Google and then go to the first website, which is chat.openai.com. You want to press this. And in case you are not logged in already, you have to log in inside here, okay? And once you do that, you will be introduced by this message over here, which says, Introducing GPT 4.0. You now have limited access to our latest model, GPT 4.0. It's smarter, understands images, can browse the web, and speaks more languages. And you want to click Try it now. And even if you don't get that pop-up message, don't worry, because GPT 4.0 is now enabled by default whenever you open up your ChatGPT. Okay, now that is in case you don't have a ChatGPT Plus subscription, things are a bit different there. But in the free version, that's how you get it. You simply type in whatever you want. Let's say I want to ask it, hey, what day is it today? Okay, I want to simply press enter. And as you can see, it says it's Tuesday, May 21st, 2024, which is the exact date of today. And now, if you hover over here on the very right, you can see it says 4.0, and you can change the model over here. But as you can see, the default is automatically set to 4.0, okay? And you can, of course, change it to GPT 3.5, which is the previous version that was available on every free account. And if I now click this, as you can see, there we go. It also answers. The response is a bit faster, but yeah, it may be inaccurate because it doesn't have access to internet and can't really read images. But yeah, that's basically how you get GPT 4.0. In case you type in something and you see it says 3.5 over here, simply switch it to GPT 4.0. And that's it. However, keep in mind that as of right now, you only get a few uses per day with this model on the free version. However, if you buy the GPT Plus version, you will get much more, okay? And that's it.